Welcome to AWS Wednesday at Styx Show. It's time for AWS WAF Party, where web security meets a good laugh. In our lab demo, we'll show you how to be the VIP bouncer for your web applications by blocking IP addresses from specific countries using AWS WAF's geolocation feature, also known as Geographic Match Rules. It's a serious protection with a touch of humor because securing the cloud can be both effective and enjoyable. We are now going to enable geolocation, and we will try to block source IP addresses from specific countries. I am here in our AWS EC2 console page, and we still see Styx blog 1 and Styx blog 2, our two EC2s. Next is I will go to load balancers under load balancing, and we still see our Styx ELB, our web application or our application load balancer. If I scroll down, we'll see this DNS name. I'll just have to click this icon to copy our URL. I'm going to open a new tab and paste. Now we are accessing our web application Styx show blog via Styx ELB. The next thing that I will do is I will create a rule that will block requests from specific country. Now, to create that rule, we'll need to go to integration under our Styx ELB load balancer. And if I scroll down, you will see that it is currently integrated to AWS WAF, our web application firewall. Okay, if I click this arrow, you will see that this load balancer is integrated with AWS WAF. It is confirmed, and we need to go to that AWS WAF web ACL, okay, our web policy. I'm gonna click this link, and this will redirect me to our web pol web ACL. And if I click the rule or rules tab, we still see our three rules: XSS protect, AWS manage rule, ATP rule set, and IDO protection. Now what I'm gonna do next is I will click add rules, and I'm gonna select the second option, add my own rules and rule groups. Then I will start creating our rule. Now to just verify, I can still access our Styx show blog webpage. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a rule. We're gonna name this geolocation protect. The type would be regular rule, and we're gonna leave this default if our request matches the statement. And under statement, we're gonna inspect this one originates from a country in. I'm gonna select this option, and as you can see, there's a new select box that appeared, and this is the country codes. If I select this select box, this option, it appears multiple countries. But which country should I select? Well, let's look at our CyberGhost VPN. And what do we have here? Oh, there are default countries here. One is France and one is Germany. So what I'm gonna do is I will select France and Germany as the countries that will block. And don't accuse me as being racist, because this just appeared in my CyberGhost VPN. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I will select France, and I will also select Germany. Yes, you can select multiple countries. Germany. There. Okay. And the action will keep it default block. And I'm gonna click add rule. There. And the priority, it's okay to be the last one in our rules. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna click save now. And as you can see, our new rule has been added in our web ACL. Now, if I refresh this web application, I can still access it. Okay, it's still up. I still be able to access our Styx show blog web application. What I'm gonna do next is we're going to change our source IP address using CyberGhost VPN. Okay, I will click France, and then I will click this power on icon, and this will take me virtually to France, specifically Strasbourg, France. I don't know if that is the correct pronunciation, but my new IP address is 92.204.174.87. Okay, now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna hit refresh. We'll check if we can still access Styx Show blog web application. And as you can see, we can no longer access our web application. We're getting 403 forbidden error. Now, what I'm gonna do is I will disconnect so that I will get back my original IP address from my original country. I'm gonna click this icon and it's now disconnecting. Okay, it's now disconnected. Okay, and if I hit refresh, I should be able to access again this web application. All good. Now, the next test would be I will click Germany. I will connect to Germany, and I should be getting a new IP address based from Germany. I'm now virtually in Berlin, Germany, with an IP address of 193.176.86.45. Okay, and what should I do next? Well, we'll test it. I will click refresh, and as you can see, we can no longer access this web application. So, what do you think? Is configuring Geographic Match Rule in AWS WAF easy? In the next videos, we will show you more how to secure your web applications without breaking a sweat.